Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can redeem your Temu coupon code. Temu is a one-stop destination for affordable items perfect for home decor, electronic pet supplies, fashion, sports and more. Firstly, make sure you have installed the Temu application on your device. Now tap open the application. You are now directed to the homepage of Temu app. Now tap on the U button or your profile icon on the bottom section of the home page. Now tap on the coupons and offers option. Here you can also see the used as well as the expired coupons. However, tap on the unused option and on the top text bar type the coupon code. Here I'm going to type a code. Now after you've typed the coupon code, all you have to do is tap on the apply button and you'll be able to redeem the Temu coupon code. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.